Okay, I needed something soft to push out the shaft to the other end. Everything's loose, the pulley's loose, nothing is froze up. That's a good thing. The set screw is loose on this bevel gear. Pushed it out. That should just come out. There you go. And then, yep, just like I thought. Looks good. There's the drill shaft. Looks like it's pretty clean. Is that brass? Looks like brass. Look at that. Anyway, I'm going to take the shaft all the way out and take off the collar and the pulley. It's pretty simple, really. The table is already loose. It's basically just dismantling this main body of the drill off the base. That might be a challenge. I hope it's not froze up. But again, more to come.